Hi friends, welcome to Edupedia World. This is Ganga. Friends, in our last session we have seen some examples regarding how to find the cube of a given number by using Yavadunam Sutra. So friends, now to find the cube of a 2-digit number, a 3-digit number or else a 4-digit number, we can use this Yavadunam Sutra and we can find its cube very easily. So friends, in this session we are going to have a look at one more example. So wait, let us see what that example is. The example that I am going to take in this session is find the cube of 126. So friends, in order to find the cube of 126, we have some procedures or steps that we have to follow. If we once revise the previous sessions, we will be having three parts of process. The first part of process that we have to do here is the left part process. So here in the left part, the first step what we have to do is we have to find the nearest base of the given number, that is 126. So here the nearest base to the number 126 is 100. After finding the nearest base, we have to find the excess, that is 26. So this excess is found out by comparing the given number with the base 100. So when you compare the given number 126 with the base 100, you get excess as 26. After finding the excess, here again you have to multiply the excess with the 3. So by multiplying the number 26 with the 3, we get the product 78. After getting this product, now again what we have to do is we have to add the product to the base what we have got. So therefore 100 plus 78 is equals to 178, and this sum is treated as the required left part. After completing the process of left part, now let us move to the process of middle part. So here in the middle part, the first step what we have to do is we have to take the new number, that is 178, the answer what we have got in left part, and we have to find the nearest base and the excess for this number. So here the nearest base for the number 178 is 100 and the excess when compared with the base is 78. After getting these two things, and again what we have to do is we have to multiply the excess of new sum with the actual excess. So therefore 78 into 26 is equals to 2028. And therefore the product 2028 is treated as the middle part. Now after completing the process of middle part, now let us move to the process of right part. So here in the right part, what we have to do is we have to cube the actual excess what we have got. So the actual excess what we have got is 26, and by cubing the number 26 we get the answer as 17,576. And this 17,576 is regarded as the right part answer. After getting all the parts, that is the left part, the middle part and the right part, we have to write all these parts in an order. After writing these three things in an order, now let us place some horizontal and vertical bars like this. So friends, as I have said that we are finding the cube of a 3-digit number and the base is 100. So we have to take only 2 digits in right part as well as in the middle part. So if you observe the right part, what we have got is 17,576. It is a 5-digit number. So the thing what we have to do here is we have to take only 2 digits, that is the last two most digits, that is 76, and the remaining digits, that is the excess digits, should be sent over to the next part, that is to the middle part as carry-ons, and these excess digits should be get added with the middle part. So therefore by taking this 175 to the middle part and by adding, we get 2028 plus 175 is equals to 2203. And again if you observe this number, that is 2203, it is a 4-digit number, but according to our rules we should have only 2 digits. So therefore what we have to do is again we have to send the excess digits, that is 22, to the next part, that is to the left part, and this should be taken as carry on and should be get added with the left part answer. So therefore by taking this 22 the next part, that is to the left part, and by adding we get 178 plus 22 is equals to 200, and in left part we can have as many digits as we want. So friends, actually the process what we have done here is nothing but it's a special rule of additions and carry-ons that we have to do in order to get the final result. After completing the process, now let us place one more horizontal bar and let us take down the required digits what we have taken here. So we have to take here in the right part 76, and in the middle part we have to take 03, and in the left part we have to take 200. And by clubbing all these three parts, that is 200, 03 and 76, we get the required answer. And therefore we can say the answer what we are going to get when we cube 126 is 2,376,000. And therefore we can say that 126 cube is equals to 2,376,000. Friends, I think that you might have faced a bit difficulty while doing the process in the right part. So here in the right part we have to find the cube of the actual excess. But the actual excess what we have got is 26. So in order to find the cube of a 2-digit number, that is 26 cube, we face somewhat difficulty. But I suggest you that it is better to use the Anurupena Sutra or else the geometric progression in order to find the cube of given excess. So friends, this is the way how we can use Yavadunam Sutra in finding the cube of a given 3-digit number. So I hope that you have understood pretty well how to use this Yavadunam Sutra, and in the next session we will be having some more examples. For watching this video, thank you, have a nice day.